So I've been outside and I fed everyone. And Tux and Gray Girl have already gone back to bed up here on the bench. That's because we had a little cat fight at 6 a.m. Some dark, large male cat entered the yard and Tux had to defend his territory. Thankfully, he's uninjured. Midnight and Mittens are headed to the vet. Johnny's helping me in with crates. I've got them in the bathrooms at both ends of the house. I'm going to pull out Ruby so I can load up the back, put them in the back easier. I'm not running late, but I, you know, gotta keep plugging here to get out the door on time. Thanks, Johnny. Good job, bud. Yeah, they're not happy. It's not your turn today. You're the easiest one, though. Aww. Aww. I am getting a constant serenade from the peanut gallery back there. Poor guys. I hate stressing them out, but everybody's got to go get a checkup at the doctor's office, so they're lucky they have a person to take care of them, right? Right. Well, this sure isn't what I want to see. I can't get over to the vet because they're in the way. Parking lot got full over here, so I did good parking over here on the side. And then over here by Zaxby's, they're sealing the parking lot, so there's like paving trucks over there. So they have me waiting out here while they do what they need to do. I don't expect to be waiting long, but I thought I'd go ahead and get signed into Netflix on the car. Probably gonna watch Star Trek something. Yay! Voyager! So the vet just came out to talk to me. Midnight's gonna get a steroid injection for asthma. He's been having a few coughing fits lately, and an inhaler is really not gonna work with him. Kitty, our cat Kitty, she used to accept the inhaler, but it's not happening with these other guys. So anyway, she's doing the best she can. She got to come out and talk to everybody at their vehicle and then go back inside. And well, I appreciate they're open and trying to be safe, but yeah, she's coming out and there's cars next to me and she just kind of talks to you and then she goes back in and they do stuff, and then yeah, there, I took those glasses off. I couldn't see at all. I got out to let them put the crates back in the back and it threw me out of my Netflix movie. I had it on pause. So I mean, it's not a big deal, but I don't know why it needed to do that. I mean, people could be watching Netflix and people getting food and stuff out of the back at a supercharger. Why stop Netflix? It's not like the car, maybe because I got out of my seat. Maybe if I stayed in my seat but the trunk could have been open, it would have been okay. It's not a big deal. I'm headed to the garage to get something out for dinner, and Tux is just chilling over here. Hey, buddy. Yeah, you had to work pretty hard to protect your kingdom last night, right? Gotta make sure you get all caught up on your sleep now. Those sure are pretty. Noticed them right away when I came outside this morning. There's actually 4 total open today. Really enjoying that hardy hibiscus. And several more to come, so we'll be enjoying it for quite a few more days. I'm going to work on bag 3 of the R2-D2 Lego model. And Don is, we're having a problem with one of our switches. Don thinks a switch has gone bad. It's one of the older ones, and he's looking into it. We haven't been able to turn on backyard lights the way we are accustomed to doing here for a few days. So hopefully he can sort it out for us and get it back online. Nighttime. This is her compromise position. Be near me, be helpful, not swat the Lego pieces on the floor. So what I did here was I pulled out all of the pieces for number 57. I just pulled out all the ones I need, and then I assemble 57. Then I go to 58 and I pull out all the pieces, and so on and so forth. Three bags down, well, bag numbers 7 more to go. I'm really enjoying it. Couple of really interesting things today. So these blue bands swing out, and they're meant to do this, one from one way and one from the other. And then these doors here on the side open, which I think in the movie when he brings out his little tools, you kind of see stuff move, but you really don't know. And then you have to push from inside. But there's his little saw tool, and this is his hook up to stuff electronically tool. So there are a lot of little intricate parts to this kit. I'm really enjoying it, but I'm not going to do another bag today. Don just went off for his run. I'm going to put her around with a little something else because you know, I kind of want to savor it. I don't need to do it all in one day. I should have 10 days worth of enjoyment out of it, and three in so far. I really like everything about this kit so far. Yeah, Don could be still in the garage, but I think he just took off down the driveway. It actually looks like it might rain. Yeah, well, he doesn't mind getting spit on as long as it's not pouring down rain, although usually if there's a chance from a shower, he throws his yellow hat on so he can keep the water out of his eyes. That's the only thing that ever bothers him. Hey, buddy. Oh, stretchy, stretchy. Gray girl. Come here, Gray. Come here, Gray. Give you some attention. There he is. He hadn't quite left. He was doing a couple of chores before he took off. Let me check it for you and get you your yellow hat. Well, I'm not going to tell you not to go, but you got your hat now, so you're covered. It's just a little band here, but over here, there's some, you know, stuff moving in later on, so yeah. Don't dawdle.
I'm not going to dawdle.
All right. Haul.
Scoot. Yeah.
Scoot. We could really use a little rain shower, so I'll hope it rains after he comes back. So I ordered this Tesla face mask off of Etsy. I'll put the link in the video description. I consider it more that I would wear it on top of maybe a KN95 mask, but it's pretty. Maybe when I meet Michelle the next time. There it is. It is a double layer mask. See, it is a double layer fabric. No way to insert a filter on this one, although I guess you could slit it here if you really wanted to try to put something inside. Panther's in his safe hideout. It's not what I would consider storming, but we are getting a nice steady rain, which I'm pleased with because it'll keep me from having to get out there in Mosquitoville for several days and having to water my plants. So, and there was one plant that really looked like it could use rainwater kind of a shower. So, yay! Don was back before it got to raining like this. He didn't really get wet on his run. Lucky him. Well, it's been a while, but it's keto waffle hamburger night here at the Miller house. It's got bacon and cheese and Parmesan cheese and lots of goodness, and these waffles are savory, they're not sweet, and the guys really like it, so hopefully they turned out as good as it looks. Well, it rained and rained some more and rained a little bit more, and we have just shy of 3 inches since 6 p.m.-ish. Hi. Hello. Hi. 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 He got himself in a fight around 7:30, something like that, and he's got 3 little puncture wounds on his head. And I put out a humane trap for the stray that's wandered in that he's fighting, but haven't caught him yet with all the rain. And he's just in here overnight for observation and his protection. He seems, obviously, he's doing okay. If they don't get infected, he won't need to see the vet. We'll just have to play it by ear. The girls want to know what's going on with him. I had him out here so he could walk around and use the bathroom, and I put him back. You know, he's my easiest cat to care for. He really doesn't put up a fuss about much of anything. He's looking okay. He's acting normal.